Hi, I'm Margaret. I've got a nice simple recipe for you today. It's chocolate cream, and it's a really nice recipe for filling a cake and for topping it too. You can do a nice crumb coat with this. Now it's so simple, it's only a short video, but I thought it might be a handy one to have because it can be made in a moment. You just need double cream, sieved icing sugar, and I've also sieved the dark cocoa powder. Now the hardest bit of this recipe is mixing it in. Dark cocoa powder, or cocoa powder of any sort, doesn't like being mixed into a liquid, but with a little bit of perseverance, there it is. Get all the bits from the edges. There, you can see already it's starting to thicken. So a little whisk, and this is in real time. This is how quick it is to make this topping. It's on low speed. And any moment now, you'll see it thickens. There we go, and it's ready. How about that for speed? It's beautifully thick and beautifully smooth and can be added to your favourite cake. Just pop it on, spread it out, and that's it. So thanks for joining me this week. Have a great one. Catch you soon.